Living in a tidy, well-organized home becomes more important with age. A clutter-free space improves focus and mood and even reduces fall risk by roughly 25% for seniors. Yet it's easy for well-intended habits to backfire. In this video, we'll explore 13 common hacks or habits that unintentionally create clutter in an older adult's home. For each, we'll explain why it adds clutter or hazard and suggest safer, more streamlined alternatives. Let's start by understanding the impact of clutter on older adults. Recent studies and experts point out that excess stuff can harm as well as stress. Cluttered surfaces and floors make rooms feel smaller and create trip hazards, dangerous when mobility is limited. Even visually, too many colors, patterns, or objects compete for attention and make a space feel chaotic. The good news, small changes can open up the home. As experts advise, removing unneeded items, keeping pathways clear, and using clever storage can transform an older person's home into a safer, more peaceful environment. We'll now walk through 13 specific pitfalls and how to fix them. Stay tuned till the very end. Hack number 13 is a simple change that instantly transforms any room. Let's get started. Number 1, the 1 room per day rule. Let's start simple. Instead of trying to declutter your whole house in one go, which can be overwhelming, focus on just 1 room per day. Start with the room you spend the most time in. Maybe it's the living room or the bedroom. Set a timer for 30 minutes. That's it. Look around. What hasn't been used in 6 months? What's broken? What's a duplicate? Place items into 3 boxes. Keep, donate, or toss. You don't have to finish the whole room in one day. Just start. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Number 2, clear the floor. Clutter doesn't always sit on tables. Sometimes it lives on the floor. Shoes near the door, baskets overflowing, stacks of newspapers, bags. These things make the room feel smaller and chaotic. Try this. Walk through your house and note anything on the floor that doesn't have to be there. Use shoe racks, storage benches, or even underbed storage to lift everything off the floor. The more floor you see, the more open and tidy your home will feel. Number 3, replace bulky furniture. As we age, comfort is important, but bulky, oversized furniture often eats up valuable space and makes rooms feel cramped. Consider replacing a large, overstuffed armchair with a sleek, supportive recliner. Instead of a giant bookshelf, opt for a tall, narrow unit that uses vertical space efficiently. Downsizing your furniture doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, it means gaining room to breathe. Number 4, use closed storage. Open shelves look nice in magazines, but in real life, they often become clutter magnets. Instead, switch to furniture with closed storage. Cabinets, sideboards, TV units with doors. These hide the mess while keeping items accessible, out of sight, out of stress. Even a few clean lines of closed furniture can make a room feel instantly more organized. Number 5, label everything. Forgetfulness is normal at any age, but especially as we get older. That's why labeling isn't just helpful, it's empowering. Label drawers in the kitchen, cutlery, tea and coffee, daily plates. Label storage boxes, winter clothes, grandkids' toys, important papers. Not only does it make your home more functional, it stops clutter from building up in the wrong places. Number 6, create a weekly declutter routine. Clutter builds up when we don't stay on top of it. That's why setting a weekly declutter habit can change everything. Every Sunday, or whatever day works for you, walk through the house with a small laundry basket. Pick up anything out of place, return it, or toss it. 10 minutes a week can save hours of cleanup later. Bonus tip, play your favorite music while doing it. It turns a chore into a ritual. Number 7, reduce duplicate items. Over time, it's easy to accumulate duplicates. 5 pairs of scissors, 4 sets of measuring cups, 20 mismatched coffee mugs. Choose the best or favorite of each and donate the rest. Less duplication equals more simplicity. You'll be amazed how much cleaner your drawers and cabinets look with just 1 of each item. Number 8, optimize entryways. The entryway sets the tone for the whole house. Cluttered entry equals chaotic energy. Tidy entry equals calm welcome. Add a small table or wall shelf with a basket for keys, letters, and everyday items. Use a coat rack or hook for jackets, walking sticks, or umbrellas. Keep shoes in a bin or rack. Make it a habit to reset the entry each evening. Number 9. Keep counters clear. Counters are not storage areas, but they often become drop zones for everything. Limit what's on your kitchen counters to just 3 daily use items. Maybe a toaster, a coffee maker, and a fruit bowl. Everything else goes in cabinets or drawers. Same with bathroom counters. No more scattered bottles and jars. Use small bins inside cabinets to keep things tidy. This one change makes your entire home feel cleaner, even if you've done nothing else. Number 10. Use lighting to reduce clutter feel. Lighting matters more than we think. Dim rooms look more cluttered, shadows hide mess, and make everything feel heavy. Add a few warm, energy-efficient LED lamps. Use under-cabinet lighting in kitchens or closets. If you have heavy curtains, switch to lighter ones to let in natural light. Bright homes feel cleaner, even if they aren't spotless. Number 11. Rotate decor seasonally. Instead of displaying every photo frame and decorative item you own, rotate them. Display 5 to 7 pieces you love this season. Pack the rest into a box. Next season, switch them out. This keeps your home fresh without adding new clutter. Keep one dedicated box labeled Decor Rotation and store it in an easy-to-access closet. Number 12. Digitalize paper clutter. Stacks of papers, letters, receipts, and manuals are clutter you don't need anymore. Use a simple scanner or your smartphone to digitize important documents. Create folders on your computer. Medical, bills, family. Once scanned, shred or recycle the paper copies unless legally required to keep. You'll reclaim whole drawers this way. Number 13. Keep a donation basket nearby. Here's a game changer. Keep a permanent donate box in your hallway or laundry room. Every time you come across something you no longer use, a shirt, a book, a kitchen gadget, toss it in the box. Once it's full, take it to a donation center or schedule a pickup. This small habit keeps clutter from sneaking back into your life. A clutter-free home boosts safety and well-being for older adults. As we've seen, many simple habits, from covering every surface with trinkets to leaving piles of papers, can make a home feel overcrowded. By contrast, taking these steps can clear the clutter. By gently unlearning these 13 clutter-making hacks and adopting simpler habits, an older person's home can feel more spacious and secure. Remember, a few minutes spent clearing a surface or organizing a drawer pays off in a brighter, safer living space. Studies show that such efforts can significantly reduce fall risk and even improve mood. We hope these tips help make your home both beautiful and comfortable for the years ahead. Remember, decluttering isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about keeping what serves you now and letting go of what doesn't. Which hack will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more home tips for seniors and beyond. Until next time, keep it cozy, keep it calm, and keep it clutter-free.